So I guess I failed. I've been trying to do swarm prevention. Some folks will probably say it was dumb of me to try, but there's a swarm box back in here. I don't have a veil on, so I'm hoping I'll be okay. I'm hoping they're gonna choose. Let me see if I can get it drawn in closer. I'm hoping they're gonna choose to go into this swarm box that I put out. I mean, they're all over here by it. It looks like they might be going to go in there. And that means I'm going to let them settle down. And yeah, looks like a swarm. And it looks like they're headed to one of my boxes. That's exciting. I'm going to get back here later and go in and see if I can't make sure they come to stay. That's what I want anyway. I'm trying to get a better view because I totally forgot about this trap. I totally forgot about it. And it's just been back here for the longest. And so, yeah, look at this. A swarm. A swarm. And yeah, I'm going to yeah, I can get in a little closer. Maybe you can see they're landing right on the box. Let's hope they all go in. Hopefully the queen will be there. And now I got to do some inspections because that's kind of like that caught me off guard. I came out actually thinking I was going to do some inspections today because I've been sort of leaving them alone. And look at this. I guess I didn't. I gave them a box a couple weeks ago, but they're exploding. All right, this is a swarm. This is a swarm, people. And let's hope we can get lucky today. All right. So I think they're getting settled in. I'm going to leave them until I'm thinking it should be okay to leave them till this evening, and then I'm going to close them off and move the box. And where I think I got to figure out where I want to move it to. I got a lay-ins hive that could use some bees. So right now my thinking is I can probably move them there. Frederick Dunn talked about putting a queen includer. So I'm thinking I'm going to move them, and hopefully is that, wait a minute. I just want to make sure that the queen, I don't know where this swarm came from. I just inspected my hives, and there's brood. There's eggs. But that doesn't mean anything. Doesn't mean that I didn't have a swarm. But a couple of weeks ago when I was in there, and I've been watching the entryway, I just didn't think I had enough bees to swarm. So I'm thinking this may have come from someplace else. I just came out of the workshop, heard all this noise, and I was like, that's awfully loud. And so then I just proceeded to start walking towards the hum, and lo and behold, you'll see the video. There they were, swirling around, and then I just wanted to follow to see where they were going to go. And they came to this box. It's sitting on top of an old pine tree stump where we did some clearing. This thing's been laying here for quite a few years, and these are the stumps that were left over. I'm a little excited. I'll wait. I'll come back this evening, close them off, and probably put some. I should probably try to put I don't know. I'm gonna close them off for tonight. I'm assuming they brought stores in their bellies, so we'll see what happens. This is actually kind of cool. All right, Spider and Bees here. Uh, what do we say? Pursue happiness, lean into joy. See ya.